Bad bigs, big up yourself. You know, say Attila representing. You know, say Droop and our friends. You know, say a league. You know, say a prophecy. You know, say as a God, Jabi. You don't know Droop himself. Loki D singing melody. Nature Ellis. You know, myself. King David play the yap. Prophecy man name call already. Yeah, man. King David play the yap. Goliath, this one that come from this thing make the giant jump. So when we chat, now you bring it to our update, virtual communication from the parish. Bad mix.
Big up to Bad Mix Entertainment. Big up yourself every time. You can call out Creatives of Peace, Jamaica, Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, and Sports. Big up.
Watch you start another play, one play in the game I want to represent Bad Bigs Entertainment. For the girl them, come on, BNB, Tony on the way.
Yeah, you don't need to go to I wanna hear you say yes, I wanna hear you say yes. Representing for none other than the Bad Mix, One TV and a Bad Mix TV. I want to DM.
From Montego Bay, Jamaica to Billboard, Nature Ellis. He gives social commentary, love and overall wholesomeness in his delivery and his musical style. Just recently, he unveiled his Billboard plaque for the album, the Jamaica, Cruise to Jamaica compilation, from the Tropical House Cruise to Jamaica compilation. And let me take the opportunity to big up Father Choice. Rest in peace, Father Choice. He has been a real ardent supporter of Nature Ellis' journey, and he transitioned just recently. So big up to Father Choice and his family scene, and he's definitely Nature Ellis' father. All right, so without further ado, the man brought you awesome music like World Peace. Talking about a revolution. He's got a new one for the latest called Karen. He's got this and that and more. Love is everywhere, and so is Nature Ellis right now. As he comes to the microphone to thrill you, put your hands together, make some sounds, and welcome our brother from Montego Bay, Jamaica, right here inside Kingston City, right now, Nature Ellis.
Give praises, give thanks, you know. Great evening, great people of the universe, you know. Listen up, the system got to change. Let's unite and get things rearranged. We gonna change it, won't you know I say, don't you know, talking about some revolution sound. In our country and town, don't you know, starting in the ocean life. Babylon, you better wise out. The people there share. Ooh, yeah. Don't let the people rise up and defend what is theirs. Too much that I run. Droop lion, respect you, my brother. It's a joy to be here. No Droop lion for some years now, you know. Man is really a lion in the jungle for real, you know. All of the youths together over Jabi, yeah, you know. Respect Jabi. Respect to the promoter, Garcia. Respect to the legendary artists them in the place. Talking about Mr. Melody in the place, talking about Loki in the place. Respect to every artist in the place. You know, say it's always a good vibe, you know. For us to dwell together in unity is like a precious ointment from the head of your hand running down from his beard to the hem of his garment. When I look over there, you know, I look over there. So much beautiful women, exquisite women here tonight. I have to say respect to the man who bring out the ladies. And the ladies they will bring out themselves as well. And the ladies they will bring out them king man as well. Because it's a balance, you know. So, we don't know say, you take Bob Marley and the great Empress Rita to create Ziggy. So, you know, we have to celebrate the unity between a man and a woman. So this one is titled Karen. And if your name Angie Susie Patsy. Oh, that's a Karen right there. But guess what? If she name Angie, this one is also for you. Because, you know, everyone of someone. Everybody. Unforgettable. You are so remarkable. Oh, yeah. Karen, I will be taking a train. And want to see you all over and over again. Unforgettable. You are so remarkable. Oh, Karen, we will be taking a train and want to see you all over and over again. Karen, baby, you're more than a friend. Want to see you again and again. It's the smile on your face and your warm embrace. And if you don't feel the same, what a shame. Wanna see you again. I don't want this to end. This tingling feeling in my soul. What's her name? Karen. And let me take the chain. Wanna see you all over and over again. Karen, baby, you're more than a friend. Want to see you again and once more. Loving you was a crime. I'm sure that breaks the law. When I look in your eyes, I see no flaws. You're like a beautiful lily of the valley. Today that just won't be. Please don't slip away. Stay firm. Let me say, Karen, what's her name? And we'll be taking a train. And want to see you all over and over again. Oh yes, Karen, I need you more than a friend. Want to see you again and again. Wanna spend my life. Nature and it's no your style. Wanna spend my life. Nature and it's no your. What's her name? Karen. And we'll be taking a train. Want to see you all over and over again. Oh yes. Karen, baby, you're more than a friend. Wanna see you again and more. It's the smile on your face and your warm embrace. And if you don't feel the same, what a shame. Wanna see you again. I don't want this way. This tingling Listen up, what a wonderful life. I can't just say what a wonderful evening, because it's been a wonderful journey. You know, from the other day I wonder if something is right more than the ordinary with me. Some people say I wonder if something wrong with me, but something is so right with me, because from the other day it's like me hear every bird that sing louder. I'm here, I feel like me I'll hear the ants them. I have a strong feeling, you know, I'm getting even more in tune with nature. Ever since I remember that night with the song, life is just for living. Life is just for living. You know what I'm saying? I want to tell you them say, no matter what I got through this evening and I come out, just remember, so life is just for living. I know this brethren and him pass on the other day. And sometimes I tell the brethren, say, brethren, take a little trip, man. Come have a little piece of food, see? And more time, remember my brethren, we can talk to him. I say, listen, more time, let's get on the business place every day, and I take a move, go on the beach, man. But him saying just busy at the business, I try to balance the business. And he pass on now. What I'm saying, we all are going to pass on and shed flesh one day. But remember this, in whatever you're doing and whatever you're working on, take a little time out to have a little fun. Not even say fun. Everything is fun. Just laugh. Just if you think about it very clearly and put all the babble and things them off your mind when you put me up to, you realize, my gosh, why am I so serious? Just walk around and laugh. I wake up this morning. And in that same breath, I got to remember the great ones who came before us. This is my artist who inspired I and I. See, and I'm going to have to sing a song from this artist. I want to take the time also to say respect Talia Powers from Area FM. See, that's love our vibe, you know. Sweet like a bee's eye. And respect to my 3 daughters in the house. Well, sorry. My 2 daughters, I'm hygiene, you know. True, normally 3 of them apart, you know, but tonight, it's 2 of them apart. And, you know, and there's another little one as well, you know. But, you know, respect to them. You're here, and it's a job, you know. Let's do this to the pose of the Most High, Celestial. You good, my brother. I'm good with all of you. I know. Shall we bless you? Yeah. I will always do the good I can for an ancient life. Respect to the band, the wonderful, powerful band. Celestial, love it. You good, my brother. I'm good with all of you. I know. Shall we bless you? Yeah. I will always do the good I can for an hatred I get. And I hope you feel the same way too. When the sun hurts, we carry you. Don't go down to others, and shall we do the same for you? Yeah, give it a chance, my friend. You will see what I'm saying is true. Love is the answer. True love from the Father. Love is the answer. True love from the Father. What is Rasta? Hold it. The Almighty's ever said something else before and touch it again, see? Listen to me. You know, one more time, here's a girl or a boy who born with a love in her heart, and you know, when I grew up and I know, say, yeah, love and meet and I right up to this and equal rights and justice. And here come some people, you meet some wicked people along the way. And if you follow them, you just get corrupt. Stay focused, see? Stay upon the right path, because tell you what, love is the answer for real. I prove that. You see me, I say, because something you hold up something in your heart, you know good, poison to your body, poison to everything. When you feel float on a higher frequency, you just worry about common mango. When you feel focused on some, you know, higher level East Indian, you know. Let's do this. it simple and move through. Respect. Christ in his kingly character. 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 Oh no, never can stay us. Last year, we'll stand up on your powerful. Listen, man. His kingly character, Christ in his kingly character, Christ in his kingly character. Oh Lord, when a man say Rasta, folks must be judged. Their goodness I don't have to wonder. Oh no, he is forever. Christ in his kingly character, Christ in his kingly character, Christ in his kingly character, Christ in his kingly character. His foundation is the holy mountains. Glorious things are spoken of me, O city of the Almighty. He's a living legend of this holy world. Conquering lion from the tribe of Judah. Christ in his kingly character. Christ in his kingly character. Christ in his kingly character. But the truth must be revealed. I know my God is real. I see his kingly character. I see his kingly character. I see his kingly. Love you all. Love Rastafari. Get your hands up.
What an awesome show! Would you love it? Would you love it? He is Mr. Garcia Campbell and the team for putting on such an exquisite event. Big up to Droop Lion and the entire, creatives that are here right now. Without further ado,